I will show you how to get the best cleanroom setup of your life. It all starts with the right products. First on our list are conductive gloves. These gloves prevent static discharge, ensuring both product and worker safety in sensitive environments. Next up, cleanroom paper. This special paper generates low particles and is perfect for documentation within controlled environments. Let's not forget bouffant caps. They prevent hair contamination and offer a comfortable, secure fit for everyone. Now we have polyester mop heads. Known for their high absorbency and durability, these mop heads are ideal for maintaining cleanroom standards. Finally, cleanroom mops. These are specialized for sterile environments, providing efficient cleaning performance to uphold strict protocols. Equip your cleanroom with these essential products to ensure safety, cleanliness, and efficiency in high-tech industries. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact us at Superior Cleanroom Products. Visit our website www.superiorcleanroomproducts.com or reach out via email or phone. We're here to support your cleanroom needs.